The brutal truth about the friend zone. You weren't put there. You walked in there yourself. Here's how. First, you became her therapist. You listened to all her problems with other guys. She doesn't want a counselor, she wants a man. Second, you never made a move. You were too afraid of rejection, waiting for a perfect moment that never comes. Attraction requires action. Third, you put her on a pedestal. You treated her like a goddess, which tells her you don't feel worthy. She believes you. If you want to become a master at escaping the friend zone, join my program. It's free, and the link is in the bio.